Leechers. We have been working on the problem statement 1628, which is titled Smart Competency Diagnostic and Candidate Profile Score Calculator. This is problem statement is of the theme Smart Education. So first, let me give you a brief idea about what the problem statement is. So the problem statement is that the current employment platform lacks personalized approach towards job matching and skill development. Yeah. Like it needs a platform which asks series of questions to candidates and based upon it identifying candidates' strong and weak points. Now, taking these points into consideration, we should recommend them jobs and courses. This also has other features like community forum, in which mentors would guide mentees and resume wizard. So let's jump to our proposed solution. Our solution is to develop a web-based candidate scoring system using machine learning. Basically, we will make a web application which can be used by both employees and candidates and bridge the skill gap between them by calculating score for candidates. So, approach to address this problem: the employers can see candidate capability from this section, which comprise of his or her learning pathways, automated resume, which is generated by our website, and scores of general assessment and domain-specific assessment. Talking about general and choice-based test, we will determine capabilities of job seekers from two types of test. One of which will be a general, and other is a choice-based, which will be constrained to a specific skill. Based upon the outcomes by this test, we can train our machine learning model, which will suggest suitable jobs and courses. When a candidate has mastered a skill, we will target that candidate as a mentor. Now, this mentor can guide other mentors, other mentees to upskill their performance. Talking about innovative ideas apart from the problem statement itself, we priority based notifications. We can see that are many unnecessary notifications from jobs portals which will lead to chance of missing important notifications. So we decided to prioritize the notification. This priority will be set by the user itself, which will enhance the productivity, of course. So also the integrity score calculator for employee and candidate. We have noticed a problem that if a company accepts candidates by taking many rounds of interview, they are not sure that the candidate will join them. This can be because he gets a better offer from other company or anything else. This wastes the company's time and resources. So we have thought of the integrity score, which will say about his or her past uprights. This can be vice versa, like employer also, sorry, candidate can also score the company too. So also another innovative idea that we have thought of is referral source retrieval. We have to search for individuals which can refer to us for a job, and we have to do this for every job we apply. This consumes much of our time, reducing our productivity. So we can help in this case by fetching people's contact information from various APIs and displaying them with jobs in their companies. So that's all from my side. Now our team lead Uday Bharadwaj will take over to explain technical approach behind the solution.
I will explain the technical approach which we have used in our solution. Starting off with the methodology used, we have implemented an atomic front-end, user experience, and user interface with the help of React.js for different pages used. We have set up our backend server using Express.js framework along with the help of Node.js environment. This has enabled us to display real-time job updates and test scores. We have also leveraged data-driven systems which provide us with personalized job recommendation which are based upon candidate preferences and the past data records scraped from other websites. We have also implemented the feature for resume building, which is Resume Wizard, and we'll be using MongoDB to store user details, test scores, and other things such as job profile logs. So now I'll just discuss about the web architecture which we'll implement using the technologies. So as you can see on the server side, we'll use Node.js along with Express.js as our backend server. On the client side, we'll simply use HTML5, CSS3, and JavaScript along with open badges. Basically, it will provide us with badges which we can give to other users or uh, candidates. And we'll be using MongoDB for the data logging part. And we'll use simple ML tech stack such as sklearn or TensorFlow for the machine learning libraries, NLTK or Spacey for the NLP part, and socket.io will be used for the real-time notification. So now I will pass to Pragnishri, who will just explain the feasibility and viability of our solution.
Now let's dive into the feasibility and viability. In terms of the technical feasibility, with the current technologies, we can access candidate skills, identify gaps, and recommend jobs. This technology is feasible with existing ML models and libraries. By integrating third-party APIs and data analytic tools, the platform can provide real-time insights and on job trends. And also in the terms of market feasibility, there is a significant market demand for the platforms that provide personalized job recommendations. This also aligns with the current trends in e-learning and career development. And also in the economic feasibility, we can also generate revenue through the premium memberships and partnerships with the online course providers. And we will discuss some of the potential challenges and risks we may face. Integrating huge data of user skills, interest of jobs can be difficult while maintaining the scalability of the platform, which is crucial for the real-time updates. Providing high accuracy jobs matches request or robust ML models trained on a large data sets. Purely tuned models may lead to irrelevant recommendations. And also, in the fake certifications or misleading resumes could undermine the platform's reliability. Verifying credentials and implementing secure authentication methods is necessary for maintaining the fairness in the job. And regarding market, there are many established platforms like LinkedIn, and the job market is rapidly evolving. So we need to stay updated with the current trends. And the strategies for overcoming these challenges can be we can employ deep learning techniques and for better pattern recognition and match accuracy, and also strong data security measurements and like encryption and regular audits will ensure the user data and platform security, privacy and platform security. And in the user integrity, um, incorporating verification system to validate users and certifications, and additionally implementing a feedback and review system will allow both employers and users to build a credibility over time and build the trust in the platform. And in the market, we can form partnerships with the other online course providers, and we have to stay updated with the current trends, and we have to retrain the model according to the update.
Moving on the impact and benefit part. Uh, First impact is skill development and workforce competency. If the user lacks some job skills required for the particular job, then our software will suggest some relevant training resources which will help him or her to improve his skill and make him fit for the job role. Second is enhance job efficiency, which will help users, means job seeker, to get the real life update of the job, means which job is rising in the market or which job is declining. Based on that, he or she will improve their skills. Second is the social impact of our software. Our platform will create opportunity for the people with diverse background by offering or enabling the accessible resources which will help them to get a better job, which eventually result in the declining of unemployment rate. Our software will act as a bridge between the organization and the job seeker. Moving on the advantages for job seeker, we have adaptive training pathway to bridge the skill gap and stay competitive in the competitive era. Uh, Real life job market, which will help the job seeker to take a career decision. A better identification, as Suraj was earlier saying about the integrity score. Based on that, the job seeker
will get to know about the organization as well. The same goes for the employer as well. For employer, we have the access to candidate with the right skill, reducing time and effort for spending on recruitment. And also our software will provide some additional certificate and some test score to user who completed the program. Based on that, he will get a better judgment. Here are some research and references which we use